Welcome to another episode of our Understanding Tectonic Plates series. Today, we're diving into the incredible journey of Earth's ocean basins and the concept of supercontinents, all guided by the Wilson cycle. Our story begins with John Tuzo Wilson, the visionary geologist who noticed the Atlantic Ocean's presence along a former suture zone. In his groundbreaking 1968 paper, he introduced the Wilson cycle, a key development in plate tectonics theory. The Wilson cycle describes 6 phases of Earth's ever-changing landscapes, from continents splitting apart to new oceans forming, and ultimately, ocean basins closing. Let's start with Phase 1, Embryonic stage. This is the starting point, marked by rift valleys and initial movements. For instance, today's East African rift is an ongoing example of the embryonic phase, where the African continent is slowly splitting apart. Next comes Phase 2, known as the young stage. During this stage, narrow seas with parallel coastlines begin to take shape. The Red Sea and the Gulf of Aden showcase the young phase, with spreading narrow seas between Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. In Phase 3, which we call the mature stage, the ocean basin truly comes into its own and expands due to the activity of active mid-ocean ridges. The Atlantic Ocean, with its mid-Atlantic ridge, exemplifies the mature phase of the Wilson cycle. Phase 4 is known as the declining stage because the ocean basin shrinks due to subduction, leading to the formation of trenches and island arcs. The Pacific Ocean's ring of fire result from the declining phase. Now, let's move on to Phase 5, known as the terminal stage. During this phase, the basin continues to shrink, ultimately resulting in the closure of the basin and the formation of young mountains. Today, Mediterranean Sea is an example of the terminal stage of the Wilson cycle. Finally, Phase 6, known as the Relic scar stage, marks the conclusion of the Wilson cycle. In this last phase, the cycle culminates with the uplifting of young mountains and the formation of relic scars. The Himalayas, formed as a result of the collision between the Indian plate and the Eurasian plate, represent this final stage, while the Indus line in the Himalayas exhibits the distinctive features of a relic scar. As we explore the Wilson cycle, we witness the Earth's ever-changing landscape, shaped by the powerful forces of plate tectonics. This remarkable journey, from the birth of rift valleys to the towering heights of mountain ranges, reminds us of the dynamic nature of our planet. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Terra Scientifica for more exciting science content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Until our next adventure, stay curious and stay safe.